If you want to make your Instagram Reels videos faster, there's an easy way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to increase the speed of your video without sacrificing quality. After watching this video, you'll be able to create fast-paced videos that are still smooth and professional looking. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to speed up your Instagram Reels videos. To get started, first open up the Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Instagram profile, tap the plus icon at the top right of the screen, and then tap the reel. And on the left side of the screen, you'll see this 1x icon. This indicates the speed of the video, and right now it is set to normal speed. To speed up your Instagram videos, simply tap on it and then choose 2x or 3x speed. And then tap and hold the record button at the bottom of the screen to record your Instagram reel. And then tap on Preview. When you are on this screen, you can add stickers and music and do the same things that you would do to a regular Instagram reel. Tap Next one more time, and tap on Share. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.